this is Moody Mom, and I'm starting off with a razor. I'm gonna do my eyebrows today. Actually, my home makeup. So then I start with the pencil. I have a Morphe pencil. It's brown. So I try to find the line. And I'm doing all of this without a mirror. Just my camera. So then I draw around it. Okay. So then I'm gonna use one of my brushes or sponges that I got off Amazon. It was a good price for 10. I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me. Then I'm gonna use the mascara. Now the mascara I got, I don't remember where I got it from, but it's blue, so it's pretty cool. It needs a mirror. I have my phone. So that's what I'm using right now. Yeah. My phone. I'm gonna do eyebrows today. Well, eyelashes. Or the Morphe ones. I haven't decided yet. I used the Morphe before, and I haven't used these. Girl I used to work with actually sells these. So let me do a decision. So with the eyelashes, it's smaller on one side and longer on the other. So that means smallest side goes in that way and that way. So I will add this glue onto the lash. It's a add-on. See, you just add it onto the lashes. I'll add it onto there. And next I use the contour, light to medium. And when you look in here, it shows you contour, sculpt, and highlight. So I'm gonna use it. And the first thing I'm gonna do is contour. So I just put it in here, the brush. I go along my hairline, again like I did with the setting powder. Okay. And then I go along my cheekbone. And along my jawline. the side of my nose. And then I got a scope. Then I've got a scope. And when I scope, I'm gonna go along my forehead.
Come down, Mommy.
Back, come get your son.
Come down, come down.
Scope is on the forehead.
Come down, come down.
Then the cheekbones
What, come
above the all the way.
down? Like that. No.
The bridge of the nose. Okay, and then I wonder if you can see it already, because I can see the difference. And then you're gonna highlight. So highlighting is cool. Highlight is basically to give you a nice finishing touch on your forehead. Highlight. And then highlight the bridge of your nose, whether you know a line. Highlight above here, right here, your cheeks right there, right here, and so just highlight. Looks very pretty, shiny. Hold on. See, and when you're a mom with all these kids, it's hard to even do a video, as you can tell, because they want to be all in here, including your husband. So, the last thing that I'm going to do is the setting spray, which you spray it on you. First time, well, second time doing my makeup, but I'm trying. You're gonna spray it on you. You just let it set. Make sure the eyelashes are good. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna get better and better at it. And before I leave, I'm gonna fix my hair up and come back. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna do my hair real quick. But Daniel, what do you think of my makeup? Thumbs up. That's for Daniel. Oh, you put a thumb. Bye, Daniel.
Put another one out there.
Okay, another one. Okay, bye-bye, Daniel.
Okay.
Let me do my hair for you guys real quick. Oh gosh, I got the other baby coming over here. There we go. Oh my God. And that's the husband, if you wonder who's screaming in the background. Not the kids.
Get out the window. Get out the window.
Where you going, Baba?
Get out the
Where
window.
you going,
Let's
baby?
see. Do you really know what he looks like? Get that cash doll in my head while I'm doing this makeup.
Get out the window.
Cuffing is dead as my sound. So,
Hey, get over there. There.
I'm just doing
There's no
finishing
doubt.
touch
Get out the window.
my hair so that You can see the before and after. Hope you like. If you like, please subscribe, comment, and like. Thanks. Oh, lips. Let's add some lip stuff. Don't really like this too much, but just to finish it off. Have a wonderful day.